Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to talk about the need for supplements in our day-to-day activities. Why do we need supplements? So first we need to understand what are supplements. What is supplement? Supplement is add-on or your nutrients which is required by your body and which is not there in your diet. So those will be used for helping to cover up your deficiency of nutrients in your food. So if you see nutrients are actually two types of nutrients are there. One is macronutrient and another is micronutrients. Macronutrients are basically your proteins, carbohydrates and fats. Both are the sources of energy for your body. While protein is 1 gram of protein will give you 4 calories of energy. Carbohydrate will also give you same 4 calories of energy. While fat it gives you 8 calories of energy if you take 1 gram of fat. So fat is a major source of energy, but there is some certain ratio we need to maintain for our body to function of all these three macronutrients. We should have 10 to 25% of protein in our food habit. We should have fats around 20 to 35%, and more of the carbohydrate, which should vary from 45 to 65%. So these three combination and these three proportions should be maintained while we intake our daily food, and usually this is not maintained. Protein is actually manufactured in our body. Around 60% of proteins are manufactured, while 40% we need to cover up from our daily food. Also, if you talk about micronutrient has two vital elements, which is vitamins and minerals. There are 13 vitamins and 11 minerals which is required by our body on day-to-day basis. Those are really important for functioning of our body, for our cellular functions. And if you see these vitamins, they are majorly found in food sources, fruit sources, vegetables. You have carrot for vitamin A, bananas for vitamin K. So there are different fruits for different kinds of vitamins. If you see minerals, there are 11 type of minerals which is actually required by our body, and those are basically found in your leafy vegetables, fruits, natural organic products. So these five important elements are required by our body on a day-to-day basis, and we are not able to actually maintain the proportion in which these are required. Proteins, we have protein manufactured in our body, but we are not having those 40% protein which is not manufactured. We are not taking that through food, and the certain proportion which is required in our daily food, it's not maintained. Apart from these five, there is phytonutrients, which is very important for our body function, and these help to fight those diseases and improve the body functions. Like the phytonutrients are basically colored in form. If you see there, they have this dark red, yellow, red, yellow, green. So these are not basically colors, but these help to attack the particular kind of functioning. Let's say bloody red or dark red is basically comes from gooseberry, cranberry, and then they help you to improve your brain capabilities, brain functioning. You have this red fruit like tomatoes, they help for proper functioning of heart. And you have this green vegetable, green color phytonutrients, which are used for cellular function, basic cellular function, which we don't care most of the time. We don't see which we don't find it more useful, and we don't eat that. So these kind of nutrients are basically sometimes we take, but generally we don't take on a daily basis. So this is where this supplement need of supplement comes from. In order to hit that perfect balance of eating all those things which is required daily, we need to have those supplements intake in our food habit. Usually, if you see the current scenario, we eat a lot of junk food which is full of fat and carbohydrate. We don't basically take proteins. So in order to achieve the perfect balance, there is a need of supplement. So yeah, my recommendation would be to take those supplements, because those are very vital, and those are very vital for function of our body on a day-to-day basis. Thank you.